Salut YouTube, comment ça va? On se retrouve épisode 7 je crois. Épisode 7. The Walking Dead. Abonnez-vous, likez, partagez, tout ça, vous savez déjà. Venez sur Twitch, très important ça aussi, venez sur Twitch. Et du coup ouais, on va reprendre dans le bon là où on en était, j'en souviens même plus, ça fait longtemps que j'ai pas joué. Je sais plus où on s'en était arrêté. Jouer... Épisode 2. Oh là là, cette tête, elle me fait vraiment pas plaisir du tout. Bon, allez, on se remet dedans, là. Ah ouais, c'est vrai, il y avait 2 pecnos qui étaient arrivés dans notre camp. Et on avait coupé la jambe à un boug.
Jesus, Danny?
What? You ain't getting soft on them, are ya? Not after what they did to your friend.
You're back. What happened?
Handled it, Mama.
Grave oublié ce qui s'est passé.
This isn't what Terry would have wanted.
Terry?
My husband. Miss him every day.
Then screw it
Oh.
up for everybody then, why don't you?
Oh, calm down, princess. I'll do it myself.
Encore en train de s'embrouiller, eux. Se chamailler comme des enfants, comme si on n'avait pas mieux à faire.
Dunno. Squabbling looks like. Lot of tension with y'all, huh?
Ouais, on peut
You
dire
could
ça.
say that. We don't exactly see eye to eye on how we should be doing things.
Well, it's probably just the hunger talking. And Lee, don't worry your head about them bandits. I'm sorry you've seen more violence than I'd have thought. in
No,
your short
c'est
time,
gentil,
but you
Mama.
all are safe here. Don't worry.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Don't wander too far. Dinner will be ready before you know it.
On va aller voir
Thank your friend
Clémentine.
Conch again for me. She and the kids are in the barn with the cow. That woman is a lifesaver.
Clémentine, j'arrive. Wouh! Ah, on avait retrouvé sa casquette, carrément. Et oui, voilà.
Hello. Glad I got to use her today.
Comment ça, chef?
Girl here.
You really like that gun.
What's not to like?
It's
C'est juste un
just a
flingue?
gun.
That's where you're wrong. This is Charlotte. She's as faithful as a starving hound when you got a bone in your pocket.
Ok, psychopathe.
You guys are pretty out in the sticks here.
Hard to find.
You get many visitors?
Lui, je le sens
Not
pas.
anymore. Bandits, of course. Used to get these school kids on tours back before the dead time.
How do you run this place with just one cow?
Used to have more. They get hungry too. Or sick. Got your doctor friend here now, though.
You guys must trade for a lot of fuel to keep the generators running, right?
People get hungry, and a few loaves of bread fetch a high price. Y'all are luckier on this side of the deal.
Ça, c'est bien vrai.
I'm gonna go wait for supper then.
It'll be a good one.
Il manquerait plus qu'il soit mauvais, tiens. Vas-y, on va aller voir la meuf là avec son daron. J'aimerais bien trouver Kenny aussi. Je peux pas sortir. Tant pis. J'espère qu'il va pas nous rendre fous là, son daron de raciste.
Hey, so what happened at the camp? Did you guys find any more of those guys that hurt Mark?
We found a tent and some boxes. Nothing really useful.
Seriously? No food?
Jesus.
What were you and Kenny arguing about when I came back from the camp?
He's losing it, Lee. He comes over and starts talking about searching the barn and that these people are hiding something.
But you told him to mind his own goddamn business, right? We are guests here, and we don't need to be overstaying our welcome more than we already
Pour
are.
une fois que je suis
The
d'accord
way I
avec
see
lui.
it, we just need to skip the dinner and get our food to go. But I'm starting to think your friend over there has another agenda.
Mais vas-y, on va pas parler de
Check
ça.
things out.
On va pas
Just
parler
don't
de son
get too
daron
nosy.
devant lui, ouais, ça se
These
fait
kinds of
grave
people are
pas.
usually pretty protective of their privacy.
Yeah, and we don't need you poking your nose where it don't belong and getting us thrown out in our asses.
Eh, vas-y.
Hey,
À propos de ton daron, là.
hey, can I talk to you in private for a second?
Okay.
Ok.
It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. That's just how he is.
How do you put up with him?
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain.
Oh bah.
He's been through so much and lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened
Comme
him,
nous.
you know.
Comme nous.
Yeah, he's
Est-ce que je suis un
bitter
fils
and
de
hateful,
pute,
but
moi?
that's all just to protect himself. And me. All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but that's just because he still has one thing left to care about. So don't judge him. And don't judge me for sticking by him. He's my dad. And I love him.
Toi, je t'en veux pas, j'en veux à ton daron.
Do you get the feeling something's going on here?
What makes you say that? What exactly happened at the camp?
It's nothing. Don't worry about it. Paranoia just getting to me a little bit.
I know what you mean. These backwoods people always give me the creeps. If you ask
Oh,
me,
ça oui.
we should just get our dinner and leave.
Come on now. We don't want to be rude.
I'm gonna go check things out.
Just don't get too nosy. These kinds of people are usually pretty protective of their privacy.
Ça marche, chef. Clémentine! Oh. Oh.
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's okay, go ahead.
Vas-y. Attention à toi, la vache, quand même.
Oh. Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's this thing?
Daddy said it's called a salt lick.
Yeah, but don't lick it. It's gross.
Did you lick it?
Oh non,
non.
Clémentine. Eh, vas-y, moi, je veux pas parler à Doc. Putain, on peut fouiller là, on peut sortir derrière. Vas-y, on va leur parler, après on va fouiller. Bon, allez, on va quand même
Have
parler
I
à
missed
Doc.
anything?
No, not really.
It smells funny in here. Like shit, right, Lee?
Hey, don't use swear words, okay?
Ça va, c'est l'apocalypse.
How do you like that cow, Clint?
She's pretty.
Tiens,
Here, Clementine.
My hat! You found it! I knew you'd find it. You said you would.
Listen,
mais
did you
t'inquiète, tu
give
peux me
your
faire
hat to
confiance.
anyone?
Tu peux me faire confiance.
Did you see any strangers around the motor inn who might have taken it?
No. Why?
It's probably nothing. Just let me know if you ever see anything like that.
Okay, I will. Hey, Lee. Do you think you'll ever have kids?
Ah, je pense pas, hein.
I'd like to someday. Maybe a little girl like you.
That's nice. You'd be a good daddy. Well,
Oh,
thanks
c'est
for finding my
gentil.
hat.
You're welcome, Clem.
Do you want to pet the cow with me?
Nah, but you go on ahead. She looks skinny.
On va
Hey
parler
there,
au
Andy.
daron.
Yeah?
How's the cow?
Well, better now we got Doc on the case.
We met this woman up in the woods. She seemed to know your brother.
Yeah, he probably talks a little more than he oughta.
When
Ils sont
do you think,
chelous, eux.
we might eat.
Hungry, huh? Don't worry. Mama's cooking up some good grub.
Thanks.
Yep.
Bon, et maintenant, si je fais ça, là. Non, vous le sentez venir, l'attaque de zombies en masse, là, qui arrive. Et on va être dans la grange. On va devoir s'échapper. Faut qu'on retienne. Donc là, il y a un truc qui pourrait nous barrer la route. Et la troisième, il n'y a pas de volet. Enfin, il n'y a pas de fenêtre.
Empty.
Putain, ça se trouve, par terre, j'ai loupé des petits trucs de con. Ok, je peux faire E. Vas-y, je fais E, après je vais ouvrir la grande porte. À droite, on va vers une forêt.
Just some fence posts.
Des poteaux. Je sais pas, mais je sens qu'on va se retrouver dans la merde dans la grange là bientôt. Je le vois trop venir. Tac, là dans un champ de maïs.
It's a feeding trough.
C'est une auge. Oh. Putain, j'ai cru que je l'avais bugué. Donc en gros, les dernières, il faut vraiment pas y aller, quoi.
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes. Ooh, smells pretty foul.
You found it too, huh? Lee, they're hiding something behind this door. I got a quick look. They got boxes of stuff, something metal and sharp.
Eh bah,
Don't get paranoid.
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. I got my whole family on this farm right now. How about you? What about Clem?
I'll protect her no matter what.
I know you will. Look, that guy with Katya, what's his name? He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely heard a noise back there, Lee.
What?
My point is, we gotta know for sure. So go find a hammer or something and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through.
ouais, réfléchis un peu par contre.
Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, Kenny.
Dis
Alright,
bien.
Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Well, you're, you know, urban?
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're
Il
saying.
est sérieux, wesh.
Man, I'm from Florida. Crazy shit just comes out of my mouth sometimes. Sorry.
Eh, vas-y Kenny, force à toi, gros. Tu peux compte plus sur nous.
What?
See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and then replace it all again like nothing ever
Voilà.
happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan. I'll hang around and keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny. Whatever.
Can I help you boys find something?
What's behind this door, Andy?
Just tools. We keep it locked so that people in the woods don't try and grab them. We'd be dead without them.
Ça se tient.
Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just You know, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No problem. Right away, Doc.
Ok, c'est maintenant. Faut que je trouve un tournevis là. Mais j'ai pas ça moi. J'ai une hache. Il serait Andy pour le faire sortir de la grange. Là, y a pas un tournevis genre.
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes.
Où est-ce que je vais trouver un tournevis moi? Juste, t'as vu, si je commençais à garder mes affaires, j'avais un tournevis au début. Où est-ce que j'ai bien trouvé un tournevis?
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole place?
Oh, I managed just fine. Plus, I
Fallait
have
pas
my
que je
boys to help
sorte.
out. I couldn't do it without him.
Et du coup, y a pas d'autre truc qu'on peut lui dire sans son daron.
What's going on, Lee? Did something happen?
There may be something going on with that barn.
I'm telling you, Lee. The longer we stay here, the more trouble we're getting ourselves into.
And what exactly do you think I'm supposed to do about it?
If you want to go in there and start rooting through other people's shit, then get to it. But if it's up to me, we should just take our food and go.
After what Kenny told me, I'm starting to think they may be trying to hide something.
You two are just asking for trouble. But if you insist on wandering around, I'd be careful, Lee.
I'm gonna go check things out.
Watch yourself, Lee.
Mais donne-moi ta pas un tournevis. Où est-ce que... Ça m'a fait peur. Où est-ce que je vais trouver ça, moi? Oh, dans la caisse à outils.
Just gonna borrow this for a second. If a couple of tools out in the open is as unsafe as it gets, we'll be fine here. Would have been nice to have one of these back at the motor inn.
Mais après, c'est pas vraiment un tournevis. Je sais pas si ça va faire l'affaire. Je pense qu'on a que ça. Hein. Puis lui, avec ses deux... Je sais pas si on y va. Hein. Je sais pas, on peut pas sauvegarder. Merde. Parce que d'un côté, j'ai pas envie de fouiller, mais d'un autre côté, j'ai trop envie de savoir ce qui se passe là-bas. Vas-y, c'est bon, on y va. On jette juste un coup d'œil de toute façon.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
Danny mentioned he needed something.
Did he say what?
Shit, I can't remember now. Sorry.
All right, all right. Be right back, Doc.
Okay, let's do this.
False alarm. I'm back.
Fils de pute.
I tried distracting Andy, but he keeps coming back.
There's gotta be something out there you can mess with to keep him busy for a while. What about those generators?
Merci Kenny. Merci Kenny. Tu sais te rendre utile. Mais ça se trouve, tu te rends utile pour nous foutre dans la merde. Et ça, je l'apprécie pas. C'est tellement cramé.
Damn, this thing is the worst piece of shit. Something's always tripping the breaker.
I'm glad Andy knows how to fix this if something goes wrong. I'm clueless about this stuff.
Y a pas un autre truc que je peux faire? Ok.
There you go. Ow, damn it! Thing is moving fast.
Vite.
There, that should do it.
Seigneur.
Fucking Danny, where'd he find this piece of shit? Oh, fucking thing through a belt. Damn it. Oh, son of a... Fuck. Oh, this take forever.
Ok, c'est bon. Pile. Pile comme le vent, Lee. Bah, chef. Mon cœur, il commence à battre vite, là. Kenny Pitié.
Mom, Dad, dinner time! It's dinner time!
C'est scripté ou pas?
Dad!
Oh non,
Dad,
Duck, il va faire de la
come on,
merde.
Let's eat!
Kenny, come along, honey. Kenny, come on. Don't make the children wait.
I'll make an excuse for you. Get that thing off.
Pitié. Mais pas trop.
Screws holding it to the door. If I can remove them, I don't even need to deal with the lock.
Mais... Ah. C'est ça, un coup d'œil pour toi.
Boy, didn't you hear the bell? Dinner time.
What the hell you got in that back
C'était
room?
ouvert, c'est pas moi.
We have food here, but Danny and I still gotta do a lot of hunting to keep everyone fed. When we catch something in the woods, we skin it and dress it back there. Mama doesn't like us to make a mess in the house, so you see, nothing to worry about.
Bah répare. Au moins.
Oh, Brenda,
Biscuits?
you are
Wow.
an angel.
Oh
Excuse
boy!
us, we had to block the back door after Walker got upstairs. Don't worry, that was a while ago and ain't been back inside since.
Everybody sit down. I'll go get the meal. Oh, this is a delight.
I could eat a horse.
Soit il mange des humains, soit il ment pas. Mais vu que c'est The Walking Dead, je dirais plus qu'il mange des humains.
Food up. You just let him rest.
Mind if I wash my hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the dirt all day.
J'ai pas écouté, ils m'ont dit c'était où. Ah bah c'est là. Du coup. Et du coup, tu veux pas te laver les mains? Bah. Je dois aller où?
Walkers aren't getting through that thing.
Mais pourquoi ça m'a mis une musique de... Hein? C'est qui a dit help? C'est qui a dit help? J'ai pas envie. Non, 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 force à lui, hein.
What the hell?
Help me!
Ah ouais, je peux vraiment plus redescendre.
Help me!
Oh, c'est...
Help me!
Je peux plus.
Help me!
Je suis bloqué.
Help me!
Non, pour de vrai, je suis bloqué là. Ah, ok. Matériel de bougie, morphine.
I need so much morphine for. Is that blood?
Hey, yo.
Farm books, cookbooks. Nothing out of the ordinary here.
Même il faut décaler.
Farm books,
Faut décaler l'étagère là, chef.
The ordinary here. Where the hell is Mark? Thought Brenda said he was up here resting. Feels like there's a storm coming. Where is that cord going? What is this stuff? Looks like a bunch of medical waste in here.
Il y avait les mêmes trucs dans la brouette là-bas là.
What would dairy farmers need with this kind of stuff? I guess someone needed some first aid recently. Musty as hell.
Mais tu vas pas me faire croire qu'il a pas compris qu'il fallait décaler l'étagère là.
Where the hell is Mark? Thought Brenda said he was up here resting.
Et ils veulent pas juste
Help me! Help me!
Ah, c'est bon, je suis rebugué. Ok. Mais genre, ils veulent pas juste crier plus fort.
What is this stuff? Looks like a bunch of medical waste in here. IV tubes, saline. What would dairy farmers need with this kind of stuff?
Je sais qu'il faut t'aider, frérot, mais... Là, j'ai cliqué partout, quoi.
Is that blood?
J'ai cliqué partout. Là, je peux que voir. Là, je peux que voir. Là, en haut, il n'y a rien. À gauche, il n'y a rien. Je peux rien sortir de mon inventaire. Là, j'ai déjà tout examiné.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Putain, je suis rebloqué.
Help me.
Comment je vais sortir? Je suis bloqué.
Help me.
Pour de vrai, je suis bloqué.
Help me. Help me.
Ça va me rendre fou.
Help me. Help me.
Oh là là.
Help me.
Mais c'est leur jeu de merde là. Stresse pas. Oh là là, je peux appuyer nulle part en plus.
Help me.
Oh mais faut que je restart là pour de vrai. Pitié, Lee. Pitié. Pitié.
Help me. Help me.
Bon bah je restart hein. J'ai pas le choix, leur jeu de merde là.
Oh, Brenda,
Biscuits?
you are
Wow.
an angel.
Oh
Excuse
boy!
us, we had to block the back door after Walker got upstairs. Don't worry, that was a while ago and ain't been back inside since.
Everybody sit down. I'll go get the meal. Oh, this is a delight.
I could eat a horse. Where's Mark?
Now, don't you worry about him. I've already brought some food up. You just let him rest.
Mind if I wash my hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the dirt all day.
And his college degree. These boys aren't stupid.
Oh oui, ils savent ce qu'ils font.
Some kind of lotion. I could use a shave. Gauze pads.
J'ai toujours leur multi-outil en plus. Ça va, Twiz? Tu t'es réveillé? Ah bah là il veut bien, il se retourne facilement. Bon. Oh, un câble. Où est-ce qu'il...
Where is that cord going?
Oh.
What the hell?
Et là il a pas dit help me et tout. Attends, si je descends là. Ah mais j'ai peur que ça me refasse le bug, vas-y nique sa mère. T'en fais du boucan là.
Brothers. What the hell happened to your legs, man? Don't eat.
J'en étais sûr. Je vous l'avais dit.
Clementine.
Vite!
Don't eat that!
Huh? Lee, Jesus, man. Did you find something?
Oh, sit your ass down, Lee. This lady has made you a meal.
Yeah, Lee, what's gotten into you?
He just had a start.
He could use some goddamn manners.
Mark is upstairs with his fucking legs cut off. You're eating him.
That's crazy.
The hell?
Now.
You're scaring the kids, Lee.
Lee, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't indulge him, Lily. There's always something.
Écoutez-moi, bordel de merde!
Mom, I was eating that.
What is going on?
They're picking us off to trade as meat.
You're out of your skull.
Mark is upstairs right now with no legs! Brenda, tell me he's not being eaten right now.
Prends son pistolet aussi, là!
It's true.
Everything could have turned out okay for you folks.
He would have died anyway. We gotta think about living.
Settle down, honey. Growing up in rural Georgia, you're taught not to waste. It's how I was raised and how I raised my boys. Now, you got monsters roaming around that do nothing but eat people. And for what? To continue to rot till they eat some more. We think we can put that meat to better use.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
We outnumber you.
Lee, that's not a very nice thing to imply. Andy is right. We go after folks who were gonna die anyways, one way or another.
Like y'all.
Clementine, run!
Nobody's going anywhere.
We got lots of use for y'all right here.
What the what? The fucking
Fils
what?
de
Put your
pute,
guns
fils
down.
de pute, fils de pute, fils de pute!
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
Everyone, everything will be okay.
Lee?
Va sous la table, Clémentine! Fils de... Il est mort!
Fucker, I'll tear you apart!
Mais jumpez-les, bordel de merde! L'autre racelard là qui sert à rien!